Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. How to turn off read receipts on WhatsApp on an Android device. Go to your phone menu. Find WhatsApp. Tap on the WhatsApp icon. Make sure that you're on the Chats tab. Tap on More Options, which is a three-dot icon located at the top right corner of the page. Tap on Settings. Tap on Account. Tap on Privacy. Scroll down to the bottom of the screen and check Read Receipts. Note, if you turn on Read Receipts, you won't be able to see read receipts from other people. Read recipients are always sent for group chats. This is how we can turn off read receipts on WhatsApp.